kind of want to like go short.
What did you do? You said you've been frustrated with your hair.
Yeah, well, okay, I feel like it's just like dry.
When was the last time we cut it
A
though?
long time.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's not dry in here. It's
No.
not actually. Nah, it's dry on your ends.
Yeah, I kind of want to like go short.
What did you do?
I know, I've been saying that for so long.
I love it.
I kind of do, but I'm also scared.
How short?
I don't know, because like I just want a change because I've had the same
The round, the
for
pop.
like years since I started seeing you.
Yeah.
So I kind of want something like new. So I don't know. I was just gonna tell you that and then let you decide.
If we closed your eyes and then you opened them an hour or so later, what would you see that would make you be like, why did I give him creative freedom? Like, what would that be?
Like something bad?
Yeah.
I don't know. Like maybe like more of like longer in the middle and like not the sides. Like I want it all like the same length. I think,
But
unless it's like a little shorter underneath. I don't know. Because like I like a pixie,
Yeah.
but I feel like that's like drastic and that might like creep me out.
Might be too much for
Yeah,
today.
like I might be a little freaked out.
I know every now and then I'll be in a mood where somebody's like, I think I want to do a pixie. I'm like, fuck it, let's go. But most of the time when it comes to bangs or when it
Yeah.
comes to like going that short,
Yeah,
I need you to roll in and be like,
you need to be
cutting it
like,
off
fully
today.
committed.
Like,
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
go.
Okay,
And it's like,
okay.
all right, cool. Because it is a huge risk. I know you have like, you're who you are. I know you look good with anything, but like your hair is part of the identity too.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't want to like have to stress you out and to kind of readjust how you view yourself, like
Right.
at least on a physical level.
Yeah.
It's pretty short. I love it. You want to go for that?
I guess.
Does that scare you?
No, it's just like I've done it. I just want something.
See, this is what I'm
different.
afraid of. I don't
know.
want to knock all your length off and have you be like, I've been here before. Like you're looking to feel different.
Yeah, I'm just like looking to feel different. Maybe just like I don't know, just like can you just like take that and do something? I don't know.
Yeah.
I won't like be mad about anything as long as you don't do the like way shorter on the
Like,
side.
knock it out here,
Yeah.
Now, if anything, I like you,
Yeah, same.
even if it's shorter, I like you broader
Yeah.
around. I just like this.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, let me get it.